we use a simple example to show how to conduct sensitivity analysis using data table in Excel. Here we assume that your company produce a simple product. Here the production quantity is 1,000 units, and each unit is currently the selling price is $100, and the unit cost is $80. So the marginal profit is $20 here. So in that way, the total profit, which linked to the previous 3 parameter values here, is $20,000. So make sure whenever we conduct sensitivity analysis, also in spreadsheet modeling, later on in the whole semester, we will focus on that. Use as less values as possible. Try to link everything together. So whenever we change one value, all other sales values will change simultaneously. So right now for one-way data table, we try to check how the total profit changes if the unit cost changes, or if the selling price changes, or if the quantity changes. Here we assume that we want to see the impact on the total profit following the changes in the unit cost. So we assume that unit cost changes from $50 to $100. So each time here we just put increment as $10 each. Of course you can use like every time it increased by $1 to get more detailed results. Let's put everything as simple. So on the right top cell here, we link this cell to our target cell. So remember, the unit cost changes in a column format. So this is our column input cell here, is this cell. Then select the whole table. Go to Data, What If Analysis, Data Table. Since the unit cost, the value changes in this column. So in the column input cell, we click this raw cell value here, then click OK. So now we see that if the unit cost is equals $50, the total profit increased to be $50,000, and if the unit cost is $100, then we reach zero profit here. So this is one-way data table sensitivity analysis. Of course, we can check if both unit cost and selling price change simultaneously, how the total profit changes. In that way, it's two-dimensional sensitivity analysis. Because spreadsheet is two-dimensional, so we suggest that we only conduct this two-way data table sensitivity analysis. Of course, we can check how the total profit changes if both these parameter values changes. But in that way, you need to build multiple two-way data table. So let's first conduct a two-way data table here. First, we put the unit cost changes in a column, the values. Also, we assume the same changing values from $50 to $100. And in the top row, we put the changing values of the selling price. We assume that the selling price varies from $50 to $120. Of course, you can put like 50, 52, 54, 56, get more detailed, but in that way the whole table will become very large. So in this cell here, in the section cell here, we link this one to our target cell. Then select the whole table. Go to data what if analysis, data table. Our row input cell is the selling price, is the cell of B2. Column input cell is in this column here is our unit cost. Then click OK. So in this table we will see how the profit changes corresponding to different combination of selling prices and unit costs. So this is a two-way data table sensitivity analysis. If we want to conduct three-dimensional, if we assume that the quantity also changes from, let's say, 500 units to 1,000 units to 5,000 units. So each time we can build different two-way data table. Let's say here, this data table assume that quantity equals 1,000. So we can change the value here equal to 2,000, then build another two-way data table. Okay, this is a simple example showing how to conduct two-way data table sensitivity analysis in Excel.